Good morning, Ralph. How are you?
I'm actually really good. I'm excited.
Where are we off to?
To the Caribbean.
Woohoo! Yes, we're off to P&O's Iona, and we are about to go on a 5-week cruise with the Cree family. Say hello, boys. Hello. Are you excited? Yeah. This is it. We're going.
We call it Cruisemas.
It's Cruisemas today. Woohoo! Bye, Moignes Court. See you in 6 weeks. Long walk onto the ship. Here we go. We're heading to our muster station. Woohoo! We did it, guys! Where we are, this is the very back of the ship, and I'm going to turn the camera around now and show you Southampton as we pull away.